Welcome to CB Off-Road Adventures. Today we embark on an adventure around the majestic Mogollon Rim, just outside Payson, Arizona, and we are exploring with our friends the Rim Country four-wheelers. Our day started out in Payson, and we venture eastward as a group along the Highway 260 until we reach the entrance to Rim Road. Amidst the scenic surroundings, we pull over to air down our tires, eagerly preparing for an exhilarating day on the trail with fellow adventurers. After we air down our tires, we resume our expedition, traversing Rim Road with anticipation building for the wonders that await us. Initially paved, the road reveals breathtaking views to the surrounding trees just south of us. Having frequented this route for years, I can attest that the vistas along this road never cease to captivate. Approximately 3 miles up the road, we encountered the Woods Canyon Lake turnoff. Opting to continue straight, we enter the realm of dirt roads, marking the true beginning of our off-road escapade. Forest Road 300, also known as Rim Road, unfolds as a remarkable 42-mile stretch offering unparalleled views of the Mogollon Rim. This accessible trail, suitable for nearly any stock vehicle, takes us through a spectacular ponderosa pine forest, where trees reaching over 100 feet tower above, and the air is filled with the refreshing scent of the forest. The magnificence of this landscape can be effortlessly explored by the outdoor enthusiast of all levels, and we suggest if you have not visited this area, put this on your adventure checklist. Just remember, if you come and visit this amazing place, it is essential to follow leave no trace principles and to help preserve this natural area. Our first stop along this unforgettable journey brings us to Horseshoe Vista. This scenic vantage point is a perfect place to absorb the breathtaking panoramas and marvel at the vastness of the ponderosa pine forest. The Mogollon Rim is a geological masterpiece sculpted by the uplifting forces of the Colorado Plateau. This amazing geological wonder creates dramatic cliffs that command our attention, so we stand here together enjoying this magnificent view. Forest Road 300 stretches 42 miles along the rim, but our plan was not to stick to this road, but to explore around the area. We drive a bit further, then veer onto the less charted Forest Road 115. It's not as well kept as Rim Road and doesn't offer the same views, so if you're into easy sightseeing, we recommend sticking to the more popular FR 300. But if you're like us and prefer a quieter path, FR 115 still showcases the area's beauty without the crowds. This ponderosa pine tree forest we are exploring in is the world's largest. These pine trees thrive at altitudes between 5,000 and 7,000 feet, which is why you find them above and below the rim. This forest serves as a vital habitat for a variety of wildlife, including elk, deer, and even black bears. Personally, I have never spotted a black bear here, but I have frequently come across bear prints in the dirt around our campsites when staying in this area. As we navigate towards our next destination, curiosity fills the air and anticipation builds about what lies ahead. Our journey leads us down FR 56, then on to FR 40, unveiling a historic landmark that was so interesting to see. This landmark is called Double Cabin, and its weathered log walls whisper tales of a time it was once lived in. Only the homestead's walls remain, with no interior remnants, so it leaves us wondering, was this partially disassembled when it was no longer in use, or has this homestead just succumbed to nature's reclamation? This home sparks thought about living in such an isolated place. Despite the harsh winters, could it be serene and magical to live here? Nestled across a wash from the cabin, a rock holds a clue about the history of this intriguing place. Engraved on a plaque is the name Charles Richard Cunningham Sr. Despite my efforts to uncover any information about Charles and his home, I cannot find anything online. If you have any insights on this, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Embarking on the FR 40 once again, we navigate a different trail heading back towards Rim Road. Our quest? To uncover the perfect spot for lunch. The path gradually becomes rockier as we move forward, but still nothing difficult where four-wheel drive is needed. Soon, a clearing appears around a big tree, and we decide to pull over and savor a nice lunch outdoors with friends. The joy of the day lies in the shared moments surrounded by nature's wonders. After lunch, our expedition resumes and we start making our way back home. We navigate an unmarked road parallel to Turkey Creek. This landscape was packed with vibrant plant life, creating a wonderful backdrop for our drive. Today's adventure with Rim Country 4-wheelers was truly a remarkable journey. Thank you for joining us as we explored the scenic wonders around the Mogollon Rim. If you liked this video, don't forget to show some love by giving a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button to see more of our adventures.